Your phone screen heals itself overnight. Your doctor monitors your heart through your skin. And your glasses? They just replaced your smartphone. Welcome to 2027, where science fiction checks into reality and forgets to check out. These are the 12 technology trends that will flip your world upside down, and you're already late to the party. Number 12, fusion energy. Let's start with the big one, literally bottling the sun. In 2022, scientists at Lawrence Livermore did the impossible. They created a fusion reaction that produced more energy than it consumed. That's like lighting a match and getting a bonfire. Fusion energy is the holy grail, unlimited clean power with zero carbon emissions and no radioactive waste. Europe, China, Japan, and South Korea are racing to build reactors that can survive temperatures hotter than the sun's core. By 2027, we're not plugging fusion into your house yet, but we're getting dangerously close to making fossil fuels look like Stone Age technology. The sun called, it wants its energy back. Number 11, AI agents that think, act, and transact. Forget chatbots. AI agents in 2027 don't just answer questions, they do your job. OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic are building digital assistants that book your flights, write your emails, manage your calendar, and even argue with customer service on your behalf. In software development, AI agents write code, test it, find bugs, and fix them while you're asleep. They're like having an intern who never complains, never sleeps, and never asks for a raise. By 2027, you won't be using AI, you'll be managing it. The question isn't, can AI do this? It's what can't it do? Spoiler, the list is getting shorter. Number 10, brain-computer interfaces. Typing with your fingers? How 2024 of you. Stanford researchers helped a paralyzed patient type 90 characters per minute by imagining handwriting. Neuralink got FDA approval and showed people controlling computer cursors with pure thought. No hands, no voice, just brain signals. Labs in Europe and Australia are testing implants that let people with spinal injuries control robotic arms and speak without moving their lips. This isn't telepathy, it's better. It's technology reading your mind with your permission. By 2027, brain-computer interfaces could give millions of people their independence back. And yes, eventually you'll text your friends just by thinking about it. Your thumbs will file for unemployment. Number 9, smart glasses replacing smartphones. Your phone's days are numbered. Meta and Ray-Ban already sell glasses with cameras and AI assistants. Apple's Vision Pro lets apps float in midair. Xreal and Rokid project entire movie screens into your eyeballs. By 2027, the goal isn't replacing phones entirely. It's making them obsolete for 80% of what you do. Calls, texts, navigation, translation, all happening in your field of vision while your hands stay free. Imagine walking through Tokyo and seeing real-time translations hovering over street signs, or getting turn-by-turn directions without looking down. The future isn't in your pocket, it's on your face, and honestly, it looks pretty good. Number 8, 6G and satellite-to-phone networks. 5G just got here, and 6G is already knocking. South Korea, Japan, Europe, and the US are building networks 100 times faster with latency so low, remote surgery becomes routine. But here's the kicker. SpaceX and AST SpaceMobile are connecting regular smartphones directly to satellites. No cell towers, no dead zones, just global coverage. Deserts, oceans, mountains, everywhere. By 2027, no signal becomes a relic of the past. You'll video call from Everest Base Camp or text from the middle of the Pacific. The entire planet becomes one giant Wi-Fi hotspot. Good luck using bad reception as an excuse anymore. Number 7, household robots. Your Roomba had a glow-up. Toyota's building kitchen robots that cook. Dyson invested $3 billion into robots that clean furniture and pick up toys. Amazon's Astro patrols your house like a tiny security guard. Tesla is working on humanoid bots for real-world tasks. By 2027, home robots won't just vacuum, they'll fold laundry, organize shelves, and maybe even argue about whose turn it is to do dishes. These aren't sci-fi fantasies, they're prototypes in testing right now. The smart home isn't just smart anymore, it's got hands. And honestly, it's about time.
We've been waiting since the Jetsons. And that's just trends 12 through 7. We're only halfway down the list. Think about what we've just covered. A new sun on Earth, digital clones doing your work, thoughts becoming text, and the planet turning into one giant hotspot. This isn't a forecast for some distant, hazy future. These are prototypes in labs right now. The foundations are being laid while we're still getting used to 5G. The question you should be asking isn't if this is coming, it's how you're going to adapt when it all hits at once. Because the party has already started, and the world you know is about to get a serious upgrade.
Let's continue with number 6, implantable health sensors. Wearables are so 2025. The future goes under your skin. Researchers are developing implantable sensors that monitor glucose, oxygen, hormones, and inflammation 24/7 wirelessly. The University of Missouri created implants that send health data through your skin without scans. Non-invasive glucose monitors use lasers instead of needles. Hospitals are testing systems where doctors track your vitals continuously, not every 6 months. By 2027, your body becomes a live data stream. Heart attack, your implant warns you 3 days early. Diabetes spike, your phone buzzes before you feel it. It's like having a doctor living inside you, minus the awkward small talk. Number 5, AI-designed medicines. Drug discovery used to take 10+ years. AI does it in months. DeepMind's AlphaFold predicted the shapes of 200 million proteins, unlocking secrets to cancer, Alzheimer's, and genetic diseases. In 2023, the FDA approved the first AI-designed drug for chronic lung disease, created by In Silico Medicine. Pfizer and Moderna use AI to design and test drugs faster than any lab. But here's the real game changer: personalized medicine. Treatments tailored to your DNA, age, and medical history. No more one-size-fits-all pills. By 2027, medicine stops guessing and starts knowing.
Your treatment plan won't be generic, it'll be yours. Coming in at number 4, holographic displays. Holograms without headsets. Lightfield Lab and Samsung are building screens that project 3D objects into open space. No glasses, no VR goggles. Medical schools use holographic anatomy lessons where students rotate beating hearts in midair. Car makers test holographic dashboards that project warnings onto windshields. By 2027, classrooms, museums, and sports arenas could display 3D visuals that feel real. Imagine watching a football game where the players appear life-sized in your living room, or attending a concert where the artist performs as a hologram in your city. It's not magic, it's physics, and it's coming faster than you think. Number 3, climate tech and ocean cleanup robots. The planet's fighting back with robots. Over $70 billion poured into climate tech recently. Climeworks in Iceland built machines that suck CO2 straight from the air, and Microsoft's buying captured carbon by the ton. The Ocean Cleanup's interceptor robots pulled trash from rivers before it hits the ocean. Autonomous bots in Japan and the Netherlands collect plastic offshore. By 2027, cleaning the planet won't just be a hashtag, it'll be an industry. These robots don't sleep, don't complain, and don't give up. They're the environmental heroes we desperately need. Mother Nature's getting backup. At number 2, DNA data storage and biocomputing.
Your hard drive is obsolete. Scientists at the University of Washington and Microsoft encoded digital files into synthetic DNA and decoded them perfectly. DNA can store the entire internet in a shoebox. IBM and Twist Bioscience are racing to commercialize it. Meanwhile, biocomputers made from living cells are solving problems silicon can't, like simulating diseases or designing new medicines. By 2027, your hard drive might literally be alive. It sounds insane until you realize nature's been storing data in DNA for 3.5 billion years. We're just finally catching up. And the number one technology that will change everything? Self-healing materials. Materials that fix themselves. Drop your phone, crack the screen, and by morning, it's healed. Stanford and the University of Illinois developed polymers that reconnect after being cut. MIT's testing materials that heal underwater for space equipment. self-healing electronic skin for robots, flexible circuits that repair themselves, car coatings that erase scratches. By 2027, broken might become optional. Imagine satellites that fix themselves in orbit or roads that repair potholes automatically. It's not sci-fi, it's chemistry, and it's about to make planned obsolescence very, very nervous. So, there you have it, 12 technologies that'll make 2027 look like a different planet. Which one excites you most or terrifies you? Drop a comment below. And if you made it this far, you're officially ready for the future.